Hello friends, in just a few minutes, a wall of water wiped entire villages off the map in Nepal. Hundreds are missing, dozens are dead, and tourists from around the world are trapped. This is the full story of Nepal flood. It's a disaster of August 26, 2026. August 2026, massive flash floods tore through the Nuwakot districts of northern Nepal, along the Bhotekoshi and Trishuli rivers. There was almost no warning. Within minutes, dozens of settlements were swept away as the water surged down the valley near the China border. But what triggered it? High in Himalayas, a avalanche of ice and rock broke off from the glacier and crashed into the valley. It blocked the Bhotekoshi River, forming a natural dam. When the dam suddenly burst, all the trapped water was released at once, creating a deadly flash flood. Scientists say events like this are becoming more common as Himalayan glaciers melt and grow unstable. The human cost is staggering. Officials have confirmed more than 150 deaths, and that number is still rising. Over 400 people are missing, including 341 foreign tourists, among them nearly 47 Americans. Rescue teams are racing against time, but damaged roads are making it nearly impossible to reach the worst hit areas. The floods flattened roads and bridges and knocked out 6 major high power plants, including Rasuwa and Trishuli, and Nuwakot. Even the Gyirong trade point on the Nepal-China border, a key gateway for trade and tourists, was hit hard. Sadly, Nepal has seen disaster after disaster in recent years. Warming temperatures are melting glaciers and filling mountain lakes that can burst without warning. Experts have long warned that these Himalayan floods will only get worse, and today's tragedy is a grim reminder. Rescue operations are still underway as authorities warn people to stay away from Bhotekoshi, Trishuli, and Narayani rivers. Our deepest condolences go to everyone affected. If this video helped you understand what happened, hit like and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.